Welcome to the world of tech in 2024. Happy New Year. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter there. AI is everywhere. From our daily gadgets to our smart homes, in 2024, AI is set to revolutionize healthcare with Elon Musk's brain-computer interface Neuralink and other ones. Keep an eye on Facebook Reality Labs and Kernel, too. And imagine controlling prosthetic limbs or enhancing cognitive abilities just by thinking. Get ready to hear more about bioprinting. Using 3D printing to create artificial tissue, it is going to change medicine as we know it. Augmented reality is taking us to new dimensions. Companies like Apple, Facebook, and Snapchat, keep an eye on them, creating immersive experiences from interactive education to gaming, shopping. AR is reshaping our world. Despite my love of classic gas-powered rides, electric cars are the future of transportation, and 2024 brings more accessible and advanced options. We may even see cities allowing autonomous taxi rides when companies can figure out how to get their act together and make them more reliably safe to get in. Plus, get ready for buzzing noises overhead. Expect to see more drone delivery services popping up as a common and convenient way of receiving your groceries and packages. And forget about hiring an old-fashioned contractor for your next home. Imagine having a house built by a 3D printer. More and more of these houses are going to be going up in 2024 as a cost-effective and eco-friendly way of constructing houses. So there's just a glimpse into the exciting tech trends of 2024. Stay tuned right here for more tech updates throughout the year at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Just click the red button to get it yourself.